This is Immigration Now, your guide to the New Zealand student visa to PR pathway. Let's go! Hello everybody, welcome. Are you ready for a life-changing down-under adventure? Today, we're talking about New Zealand. Stunning mountains, beautiful beaches, and a whole lot of friendly faces. This isn't just a vacation, it's about making that dream your reality. With a little help from our friends at Immigration Now, we're mapping your journey. From student with a backpack of books to becoming a proud Kiwi with permanent residency. It's a big deal but totally doable. We'll break it down. So, where do you begin? That's what I'm here for. One step at a time. First you stumble, then you get the rhythm, then you own the floor. This journey is a three-step dance. Step 1, student visa. Step 2, post-study work visa. Step 3, permanent residency. Grab a comfy seat, we're planning your future. Alright, first things first, the student visa opens the door. Your golden ticket, your backstage pass to study and explore. You need an offer of place from an approved school, institute, or university. Prove identity, good health, and good character. Passport, medicals, police certificates. It's about trust and safety. Show funds for tuition and living costs. Set amounts so you can focus on study, not your next flat white. Check official financial requirements. Think of it like packing enough snacks for a long road trip. Bonus: many student visas allow up to 20 hours per week, full-time and scheduled holidays. Earn extra cash, gain NZ experience, and build your network. Barista, retail, or work in your field. You're not just studying, you're already living New Zealand. How cool is that? Immigration now turns dreams into addresses. That's your blueprint to begin. Let me tell you about Maria from Brazil. Passionate about tech, dreaming of nature. She enrolled in a Master of IT in Auckland. Nervous but determined. Visa forms, medical check, savings. Eyes on that fern stamp. Friendly people, clean air, beautiful campus. She used her work rights, help desk role, solving problems, learning Kiwi workplace culture. Smoko breaks, and sweet as is high praise. Career fairs, networking, CV update, Kiwi-style cover letter, practice interviews. Before graduating, she landed a junior developer interview in Wellington. She got the job. Real path, not a fairy tale. Study, work, network, step by step, with a plan. From student to professional, that's the playbook. Her story shows what's possible when you use your studies, part-time work, and university resources wisely. Graduation day, you did it. But no, you don't have to go home. Enter the post-study work visa. Work for any employer, anywhere. It's freedom, opportunity, your time to shine. Depending on your qualification and where you studied. 1, 2, or up to 3 years. Gain experience, prove your value, explore paths. Apply soon after your student visa ends. Show completion and funds. Simple steps. Let me repeat. You do not need a job offer to get this visa. Breathe. Find the right job, not just any job. This is your audition for life in New Zealand. Show the country what you've got. Travel, work, figure out your next move. Like Maria did. New Zealand values your skills. This visa is the bridge from student life to residency. You're free to work. Now how do you land a job? It's about what you can do. Practical skills, can-do attitude, cultural fit. Keep your CV clear and under 2 pages. Use your cover letter to solve their problems. Be genuine, enthusiastic, let your personality through. Use job boards but don't stop there. Network, go to events, connect on LinkedIn, talk to people. Career services can refine your CV, run mock interviews, and connect you to hiring employers. Check official shortage lists. IT, healthcare, construction, engineering lead the way. Developers, cybersecurity analysts, nurses, doctors, allied health, builders, plumbers, engineers, accountants, marketers, teachers, chefs. Secure full-time skilled work, and you're on your way. Your post-study years are priceless. Gain experience, upskill, show your value. You've studied, worked, and fallen in love with NZ. The final step, permanent residency. Live, work, and study indefinitely. Ultimate security. Most former students go via the skilled migrant category, a points-based system. Points for age, qualifications, experience, and especially a skilled job in New Zealand. Extra points outside Auckland encourage regional growth. Reach the threshold, submit an expression of interest, and await the invite to apply. Maria. Master's degree under 30, skilled developer job in Wellington. She met the mark easily. Green list roles can fast track. Some get straight to residence with a job offer. Others work to residence after 2 years. There are multiple entry points, all rewarding skills NZ needs. PR is the moment you've worked for, the key that unlocks your Kiwi life. Real talk. Don't wait until the last week to apply for your post-study work visa. Know the deadlines, understand requirements early, be proactive. Like a connection, know your next gate before you land. If your visa allows 20 hours, work 20, not 25. It's not worth the risk. Immigration NZ is strict. Breaking rules can jeopardize future visas. Read your visa letter, know your rights and obligations, follow to the letter. Great mantra for life, not for skilled jobs. Don't wait, work for it. Tailor each CV, write compelling letters, network like it's your job. Don't rely on rumors or the 1992 cousin story. Policies change. Use official sources or a licensed advisor. Professional, up-to-date advice can mean success. What's at the end of this rainbow? Freedom and security. With PR, you can live, work, and study in New Zealand indefinitely. Buy a home, travel freely, no more ties to a single employer or temporary visa. Access publicly funded healthcare. Kids attend school like locals. Residents pay domestic uni fees. Safe, clean, real work-life balance. Hikes, beaches, barbecues. From the Southern Alps to golden northern beaches, a real-life postcard. After residency, you can pursue citizenship, a powerful passport, and you can vote. From nervous student to valued professional to permanent resident, and finally, a Kiwi. It's a profound transformation, all starting with one brave decision to study here. So there you have it, the whole journey, start to finish. It takes courage, planning, and heart. But the path is clear. Start as a student, then post-study work visa, then PR. With a skilled job, you make that thrilling leap to residency. Think of Maria, not a superhero, just determined. Follow the steps, avoid common mistakes, use every resource. Build your future in one of the world's most welcoming, beautiful places. The adventure is waiting. Don't let fear hold you back. Research a course, save up, or talk to an expert. Our friends at Immigration Now turn overwhelming dreams into simple steps. Take a deep breath. Your future is calling. This is Immigration Now. Subscribe for more guides and go make it happen. You've got this.